So the second step in the ABCs of introduction process is the background knowledge. You have to give the reader some background information about the story that you're going to be talking about. Can't assume that your reader has read the story, and without a little bit of background knowledge, they may not really be able to understand what it is that you're trying to prove or trying to explain in your essay. So you're going to want to give a sentence or two of background knowledge. So when we do that, what I taught you to do in the last compare contrast essay was I taught you to do the who, what, when, where, why, how. Answer those questions. So I've just included a few here for you that'll help you kind of get going. So you already have your lead or your hook. Now the next sentence for you to write is your background sentence, your B. So you're going to start it by saying something like, the short story, The Bully, is about blank. And when you go to write, you're going to want to include the details that you see here on my screen. You might want to say something like, the short story, The Bully, is about a grown man and his high school bully named Tony, who he runs into unexpectedly one day in a diner. His bully is now disabled, and the narrator needs to help his high school bully into the van. So you want to give them just a little bit of background knowledge about the story, and you want to include these facts that I've put here on the screen to help you. So get to it, go back into your Word document. Again, after each stage of your Word document, you're going to want to confirm that it's saving. But go back in now, and you could use this sentence starter that's at the bottom.